Next, we're going to apply this leather sheen. See here, it's Fibings, I think is how you would pronounce that name, something like that. The leather sheen. Any of these things I'm showing you, you can look up on Amazon and they're readily available. Like it makes it look richer, and it gives it just a little bit of protection. I mean, you shouldn't take leather out in wet weather, especially in rain. This isn't going to waterproof it, but it's going to help just a little bit. Let's get this welt good. Let's put on a second coat. Okay, now we'll let it thoroughly dry. The final thing I want to do is to rub in some leather conditioner. This is stuff that I make. It can also be used on carbon steel blades to keep them from rusting. So I am going to coat the knife with this stuff before I ship it. This helps give the leather a little bit of moisture resistance, and it keeps it from drying out and cracking. Just keep your leather looking nice for a long time. I thought I had some black paracord. I don't, so we're going to use this kind of a camo pattern. All right, I'm going to push paracord through here. See if I can get a grip on it with these pliers and pull it through. I'm going to pull that too tight. Let me test the length out. Put your pinky in there. All right, that's not bad right there. And what that's for, if you use this rear grip, you can put your pinky in the lanyard and then your hand up on the knife, and then you have a very secure grip. The knife is not going to come out of your hand. No problem. Adjust this to fit the size of your hand. And it's really nice that the lanyard doesn't get in your way. It doesn't go through the knife It hangs right out the back, and I really like that.